Okay, here we go. We're going to start talking about your part one of your final project for the unit we've just finished dealing with cars. So we're going to start by using the internet to find a car that we'd like to purchase for this project. So all that means is hop on the internet, find a car you want. Maybe it's a 2016 Honda CR-V. That's what I'll use for this example. Okay, you're going to find the base price online. So whatever price you find this car to be online, that's what you're going to write here in the base price. So let's say I found the price and it came to $25,000. Okay, so that's the starting price there. Up next it says choose 6 additional features, a minimum of 6, okay, for your vehicle, and record your choices below. But the key thing is we're not doing this. We're not finding these features online. You are given a list of additional features. It's actually the 3rd page in this project. So boom, right here is your list of additional features. So let's say I choose some of these. Maybe I want the anti-theft alarm system. Maybe I want the security system. Maybe I want the sunroof, heated seats, so on and so forth. I'm choosing my 6 features right there. After I choose them, I would say, okay, here's my backup camera. It's $289. I would go back up to my chart and say, I'm going to buy the backup camera. And it is $289. And I'm just going to be recording my choices from the chart below, or from the list below into this chart. And that's it. All right. My base price, we already said, was $25,000. For the cost of the additional features, I'm going to add up everything in my chart and put my total here. Okay. And then last but not least, the total cost of the vehicle, I would just add these 2 up to get my total. And this is the number right here that we're going to bring into the next page. So at this point, we found our total on the previous page. So let's just say my total came to, my base price was $25,000. Let's say my additional features was $5,000. So my total came to $30,000. We'll just say this is the number that I'm bringing into this page, okay? And obviously your calculations are going to be different. We're going to use this value for 2 different options. Option 1 is over here on the left side of our page. Option 2 is on the right side of our page over here. Okay, so I would take my total, take my $30,000, and I want to put a $10,000 down payment on it. Anytime I'm given a percentage, I'm going to be multiplying, but first I've got to change it to a decimal. So boom, I moved my decimal point twice. I'm going to multiply this $30,000 by 0.10. Okay, that comes to a down payment of $3,000. So how much will I still owe after this down payment? Down payment makes my amount owed go down. So I'm going to owe less for my loan, or I'll have to take out a smaller loan. So it's just that $30,000 minus $3,000. So I will end up having to take out a $27,000 loan. Okay. So again, your numbers are going to be different, but that's the loan that I will need for this car in option 1. Obviously, these numbers are going to be different. I would still do the same thing on this side. 30,000 times, instead of 0.10, it's going to be 0.20. And then I would go through the same process over here to see what my loan is going to be. It's going to be a different value for my loan. But again, 2 different options. Okay. Up next, we're going to google.com and we're typing in car loan calculator. Using the calculator, we want to plug in the amount of money that we still owe for the car. Hey, that looks like this loan amount that I just found. So, boom, that is the amount of money that I still owe for the car. And make sure the interest is 4%, key. And we're going for a 5-year loan, which is 60 months. Okay, so if I go to Google and I type in this car loan calculator, this is what's going to pop up. So all you would have to do is hop in here and say, well, my loan amount wasn't $25,000. I calculated it to be $27,000. My interest rate, they told me, was 4%. So I'm going to write in my 4. And my loan period's already 60 months. And boom, it calculates everything for you and tells you what your monthly payment is going to be. In this case, it's going to be $497. So then we can go back to our worksheet, and my monthly payment for option 1 is $497. Okay, again, we're going to do the same thing for option 1, but we're going to have a different loan. My loan will be different. So it's not going to be $27,000, but it's still going to be 4%. It's still going to be 60 months. but it will be a slightly different number here for our loan. And last but not least for part one, what you're going to have to do is calculate your deferred price. The great part is we've got our equation here. So it says I need my down payment. Okay, I think I calculated that somewhere. Oh, look at that. My down payment's right here, $3,000. So I would say, here we go. Let's plug in my $3,000 plus my monthly payment. We just calculated right there, $497. And my number of months is up here as well, 60 months. So times 60, and you would calculate your answer right here. Boom. Option 2, we're going to have different numbers again for my down payment and my monthly payment, but the number of months is still going to be 60. Either way, go through the process, figure out your deferred price, and that's all you have to do for part 1. So if you need to, look back and watch this video for step-by-step instructions on how to figure everything out. Good luck.